So guys, how have you all been? This is Amit Pradhan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you see, today's video is going to be about how to put your mounts in your helmet. So here I've got the Telesin. I think this is one of the best mounts you can use on your helmet. And this is a steel board helmet, as you see. So I'm going to put this mount on my helmet, and then I'm going to use my GoPro camera on it, and then we'll show you how it goes. Alright guys, so the video is going to be about placing this mount on your helmet. Right guys, so as you see, this is a little bit tough because you have to place it right at the center of your helmet so that nothing goes wrong. First of all, you bring these two straps right upside, right here, and then use one of your strap to place it right here. As you see, there is a lock in this mount. You place this here, pull it, and then you bring it right here, and then just lock it for a while, and then you do the same with the other strap right here. As you see, you unmount it, place it in, and then lock it for some time. Just keep it right here, and now you set this mount so that it goes right here in the center of your helmet. Okay guys, so after this you have to pull it like this. You need to unstrap it from here. It comes inside, pull it, and then you lock it once again. Do the same with the other one. You just, here it is. Wait, let me show you closely. Just unmount it properly like this, place it closer, and then just lock it for a while, and then again check it. Where is your helmet placing the GoPro? See, it is not going in the center, so we have to place it properly. So we have to bring it here, we have to loosen this up, and then we bring it here right back to this position, and then again you lock it, and slowly, steadily you'll make it. We have to place it right here at the center. So now I'm going to fix it up. I think it has come in the center right now. I think this is centerized now, and also very fixed. You see, it is not moving, it is locked. And now guys, you have this mount to place it on your mounts in. It goes all the way from the bottom to top. You have to place it like this. You put it here, you put it here, and then you place it like this. So your helmet gets set, the mountain gets set. If you think this one is moving, come back here, pull the strap, close it tight, and then again lock it right here. Do the same with the other one, pull it tight, and then lock it again so that it becomes rigid. Now it's fixed, it's not moving. So this is the way to set your helmet on it. And now for the GoPro, you have to unscrew the lock. As you see, unscrewing it, and then here it is. Here you go, here you place it, and from here you go here. You see, it goes inside, and then lock it properly. And now you can move your camera for a while so that you can see where to keep it, so that it becomes the center, not too high, not too low, and then just lock it. Yes, right here. You see, the GoPro is set. Now it is not moving. Now we are all set to go out with this GoPro for a ride, and then we can capture the best of beauty around your places. So this is the way to fix it. And now I'm going to wear it so that you understand how possible it becomes. So guys, you see, and here it is, finally. So guys, we are ready to go downstairs.